Good morning, students. Today we study about the third whorl of the flower, that is androecium, which is also called as essential whorl. It is the third whorl of a flower consisting of stamens or microsporophylls. Fertile stamens produce pollen grains. Structure of stamen. Each stamen consists of filament, anther, and the connection between anther and filament is called as connective. Filament, it is the long or short sterile stalk, and terminal fertile part is known as anther, attached to the end of filament. The anther encloses microsporangia or pollen sacs, within which microspores or pollen grains are produced. The filament of stamen is connected to the anther by means of connective. Then the number of anther lobes. Monothecous. The anther having only one lobe with two microsporangia, means anther consists of generally two lobes, and in each lobe there are two microsporangia or pollen sac. In monothecous condition, the anther have only one lobe, that's why it has only two microsporangia. Therefore, it is also called as bilocular or bisporangiate. Such type of monothecous anther is found in hibiscus. Then dithecous. Anther with, in this case, anther are present with two lobes, and in each lobe there are two microsporangia or pollen sac. Therefore, there are four microsporangia or pollen sac, and it is also termed as tetralocular or tetrasporangiate. Example is Datura, member of family Solanaceae. Then what is staminode? Staminode, it is the sterile stamen which does not take part in the reproduction and does not produce any pollen grains. The sterile stamen, it is called as staminode. Such type of sterile stamens are found in canna. And when the dehiscence or breaking of anther takes place towards the center, it is called as introrse. Example, tomato. And when the dehiscence of anther takes place towards periphery or margin, it is called extrorse. Example, ranunculus. Depending on the length of the stamen, there are two subtypes, didynamous and tetradynamous. In didynamous, there are four stamens, out of which two having long filament, two stamens having long filament, and two stamens having short filament. Such condition is called a didynamous condition. It is found in the members of the family Lamiaceae or Labiatae. Example, Osimo. Tetradynamous. In this condition, there are 6 stamens present in the flower, out of which 4 having long filament 4 stamens having long filament and 2 having short filaments. Such condition is called as tetradynamous condition. The tetradynamous stamens are found in the family Brassicaceae. Example, Brassica raffanus. Then the fixation of the stamen or anther to the stamen. The mode of attachment of filament to the anther by connective is called as fixation. It is of following types: adnate, basifix, dorsifix and versatile. In adnate, filament get attached to the total length of the anther on the back. Example, Michelia. Then basifix. Filament is attached to the anther at the base of the anther. Example, Datura. Then dorsifix. The filament is attached to the anther on the dorsal side at middle portion. Such dorsifix type of stamen is found in Passiflora. Then versatile. Filament is attached to the anther at a point so that anther can swing freely in all directions. Such type of versatile stamen is found in Gloriosa. Then the cohesion of stamen. In this there are 4 terminologies or 5 terminologies: monoadelphous, diadelphous, polyadelphous, syngenesious and synandrous. In monoadelphous, all the stamens of a flower are united in one bundle by fusion of their filaments only, and the anthers are free. Monoadelphous means all the stamens are fused to form a single bundle by the fusion of their filaments only, and the anthers are free. Such monoadelphous condition is found in hibiscus. Diadelphous. All the stamens of flower are united in 2 bundles by fusion of their filaments only, and anthers are free. Such condition is found in the member of the family Papilionaceae or Fabaceae. Example is P. cajanus, means tour, wall, etc. That adelphous condition is found in the members of the family Papilionaceae or Fabaceae. Then polyadelphous. Filaments of all the stamens unite to form more than 2 bundles, and the anthers are free. Such polyadelphous condition is found in citrus or lemon. Then syngenesious. Anthers of the all stamens of flower are fused to form a cylinder around the style, and their filaments are free. Means in syngenesious condition, the anthers only fuse with one another and their filaments remain free, and the anthers are fused around the style. Such syngenesious condition is found in the members of the family Asteraceae, that is sunflower, tridents, etc. Then synandrous condition. In this case, all the stamens having anthers as well as filaments, they all are fused together to their whole length. Means the anthers as well as filaments are fused throughout their whole length. Such condition is called as synandrous condition, and it is found in the members of the family Cucurbitaceae. Means in pumpkin, Karela, such type of synandrous condition is present. Then adhesion of stamens, last topic, adhesion of stamens, that is epipetalous. When the stamens are attached to the petals by their filaments, it is called as epipetalous condition. Such condition is found in Solanum, that is brinjal, and Ocimum. Then epitapalous. When we cannot differentiate between calyx and corolla, when they are of same color, it is called as perianth or taper. When stamens are united or fused with their perianth, by their filament, it is called as epitapalous. Then last one, that is gynandrous. Stamens are attached or adhere to the carpels either throughout their length or by their anthers only. When the stamens attach or adhere to the carpels either throughout their length or by their anthers only, such condition is called as gynandrous condition, and it is found in Calotropis, the member of family Asclepiadaceae. रुई का फूल जो होता है, मदार जो बोलते हैं, that is the example of having gynandrous condition. This is all about the androecium, number of anther lobes, length of stamens, then anther fixation, cohesion of stamen and adhesion of stamen. Thank you.